Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. Today I'll be showing you how to make BATANA butter and BATANA Balm. So BATANA oil has been all over the place. Like it's really the new craze right now everywhere. And as a business, of course, we have to get in and see what's going on. So that's why I'm making this video just to show how you can use BATANA oil and make different things. So it comes in the oil, the liquidy form, and then it has a thicker version, and it's very viscous in this thicker version form. You can use it obviously as is, or you can try to make it more pliable by adding some other butters just to soften it and make it more easy to apply to the skin. So I'll be making body butter with the BATANA oil and some balm as well that you can use, maybe like a scalp grease or a body balm. So it is a very thick oil. It's very dense, and I'll be using these versions of the butters that we carry. I'll be adding muru butter and shea butter, and I would be adding some cocoa butter. I just shown that for scent because it just smells like coffee, burnt coffee, and I'm imagining that blending that in with some cocoa butter will just make a very nice combination. So for the balm, I'm starting with the balm, and I'll be adding some beeswax and some muru butter and some shea butter just to make the balm really soft. And so I've not really worked with the oil before now, so this is just really raw footage of my analysis of the butter and the oil. So I would call the thicker version of butter already because it's really thick. And then the oil, I would be melting that in. So you can see I wasn't sure how long I needed to warm it up, and I did not use a water bath, so probably not a good idea because it did warm up pretty quick and was almost sizzling. So, and what I've noticed about this oil is that it blends very nicely with essential oils. It takes on the scent very quickly, even though it has its own scent. So that's really something to be happy about. If you don't like the scent, you can just incorporate your own scent, and that makes a big difference. So I went ahead to add some grapefruit essential oil. So combining with the cocoa butter scent and the natural scent of the oil, it was a really nice blend there. So that's a suggestion for you on how to make the BATANA oil scent more tolerable, because I've heard different versions of experiences that people have had. Some people say, oh, I like it, and some people don't really like it. So I'm just going to pour it into the container here and let it stand while I'm making the butter. So I like to use tins for balms just because it makes it more easy to get out of the container when you need it. And it's just maybe it looks better too as well. So that's one of the characteristics of balms that I really like. It's just it looks nice in the tins, and yeah. So as you can see, the oil does look dark brown, and just so you're aware of that when you order it, because there's a lot of versions out there. You just want to make sure that you order the right version, the potent version and the original version, because right now everybody seems to be wanting to use it in one way or the other. So just make sure you have a good supplier for this product. So here I am, I'm trying to make the butter, and I'll be adding the muru butter, and I'll be proceeding to add the shea butter, and I'll be melting it down. So I didn't bother adding any other oils because I just wanted the BATANA oil to shine through in the recipes. As you can see from the balm that I just made up, I just wanted to use the BATANA oil. So the BATANA oil is pretty similar to what you find in Africa. So we have the African red palm, which is pretty much the BATANA palm. So people have actually noticed that. So there's a red oil version which is made from the fruit of the palm itself. This one is hard to use on the hair because it's just very red and it's very rich in beta carotene. It's for food, so we use it for cooking in Africa. And this part is from the kernel, so it's extracted from the kernel. So what I've noticed is that the difference between the BATANA oil, which is also known as the American palm, and the African palm is just the way it's processed. So there's extraction that is done in different ways, but it's pretty much the same oil because they all come from the palm kernel section of the palm fruit itself. So it's pretty much the same. So here I am, I'm just whipping up the butter. So as you can see, it turned out to be looking really fluffy. And this is what I was hoping to achieve because the butter on its own is very viscous. So it's hard to use it by itself. If you're trying to slaughter it on your skin, it might take a while to absorb. But then when you incorporate other butters and maybe some oils that you like for your skin care, I think it will be easier to use. So I do like the way it turned out. And the scent is really good because, like I said, I combined it with cocoa butter and some grapefruit essential oil. So that just gave it a very nice scent combination. So feel free to incorporate the suggestions that I've made on how to use the butter in different ways to bring out different scents and combinations of scent. So I'm just whipping it up more here. So I've just finished whipping up the butter here, and you can see that it's really silky and it looks creamy and rich. So if you want to make the BATANA oil more pliable, you can just use this, my suggestion, add some new butters, and I think you'll be able to enjoy it better. So here it is, 4 ways to use BATANA oil. Obviously you can use it as is when you get it in the oily form, which is really nice, and you can also use it as a butter when it comes in a viscous butter. You can apply it on your scalp and it would work for you as you are hoping it would. And we have the butter, which is a silky rich cream. You can apply it on your skin because the BATANA oil, from my research, is pretty good for the skin. It's rich in fatty acids and it softens the skin and makes it healthy and moisturized. Or you could use it as a balm where you can add it to your scalp. So I went ahead and added a lot of beeswax. You don't have to add as much beeswax as I did, so that you have a more brownish texture of the balm, or color of the balm, sorry. So here it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, ask any question. Just know that I'm not an expert in BATANA oil, but I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Bye.